How I created a paperclip in Autodesk Maya. I select the CV Curve tool from the Curve Tools option under the Create menu. And then I go to the front view and start drawing a curve above the reference image. Pressing the Shift key will help create a straight curve. After creating the curve, I made minor adjustments by editing the vertices to look exactly like the reference image. Then I select the curve and click on the sweep option to create a sweep along the curve. We can adjust the radius of sweep in the attribute editor under the transformation option. Increase and decrease the scale profile to change the radius of the sweep. Under the interpolation option, increase the precision slider to increase segments in the sweep. We can tick the optimize option to optimize it more. Then I selected the edges of the opening, extruded them, and filled them to close the hole, and then I beveled the edges for a smoother finish. And that's it. Here is the final product. I gave it texture and some lightning with simple loop animation, and this is the final render. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.